Yo, what's good, friends? It's Jonathan, and I got a pretty cool video for you today. See, normally I'm not like an unboxing kind of channel, but this strange box showed up on my doorstep, wasn't expecting it. No company reached out to me to let me know that this was coming. So, I don't know, I was a little bit kind of on edge about it because this is a very strange box, but nonetheless, it's one of the coolest boxes I have ever received, so I figured it definitely deserved an unboxing. I got my Osmo Pocket right here, so that way you guys can see exactly what I see. This is gonna be kind of cool. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I'm really excited about this. On the very top, it says Invisible Shield. Have no idea how Invisible Shield relates to zombies. That's kind of new to me, but nonetheless, shout out to Invisible Shield and my folks over at Mophie, because if you guys don't know, Mophie and Invisible Shield are under the same umbrella. So shout out to my friends over there for sending this to me. Let's go ahead and open this thing and see what we got inside. Osmo Pocket. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see my head? On the lid, it says, "We can't protect you from a zombie apocalypse, but we can protect you from digital eye strain." Okay. We got a little compass here. Pretty neat. Okay. Nice, nice. Then we got some ninja stars. Little rubber spoon. It says Kabar. Okay, we're not even gonna try to say it. Little rubber spoon. Then we got, what are we gonna use the spoon with? Or what are we gonna use the spoon for? I don't even know where to look. Spaghetti with beef and sauce. Okay. And one marinara sauce with meatballs. Should we do a giveaway for the spaghetti with beef and sauce and the meatballs? Should we do a giveaway for the spaghetti and meatballs? We could do that. One of you guys, I don't know where I'm pointing to. Somebody might be winning some spaghetti and meatballs. Because why not? Then we got some zombie repellent, apocalyptic hot sauce. Okay. It says 4.5 brains on the heat gauge. Directions for use: hold 1 to 4 inches above food and pour. Consume food 4 hours. Consume food for hours of zombie protection. I got it. So basically you put this on your food, right? And it's so spicy that if a zombie were to bite you, it's gonna make the butthole burn. They're gonna have diarrhea. So zombie repellent is hot sauce. Facts. And then at the top, oh yeah, got a little Nerf gun here. Some Nerf gun action. Okay. All right, try that again. Looks like it lifts up, so we'll go ahead and lift this this little tray up like this. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. All right, so we got a zombie survival kit, little pamphlet here. It says protection from the unexpected. Okay, so we can't protect you from a zombie apocalypse, but we can protect you from digital eye strain. High intensity visible blue light coming from our device screens is light not typically present in our natural environment. Our eyes are just not equipped to have that high intensity blue light shining directly in them all day. Now I've heard about this. I've heard about how blue light can really affect eyesight. It can keep you up at night, and it really has a big impact on our health. So I can see what they're trying to do here. Now I've seen other blue light screen protectors before, and they really affect the visibility of the display. In fact, they turn the display kind of like blue. And a lot of phones have like a built-in night mode. Well, not necessarily night mode, but like, you know, like a sleep mode where it warms up the display. But if you don't have to use that and you could just use one of these, that's kind of cool. So let's see, Glass Plus Vision Guard with eye strain. Glass Plus Vision Guard with eye safe technology provides you with the best screen protection for your device while protecting your eyes from the effects of harmful blue light. Now, I'm really interested to see how clear these screen protectors are. Protects from digital eye strain, preserves the true colors of your screen. Now, that's what I'm interested in. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. We got an array of Glass Plus Vision Guard screen protectors. We got one for the iPhone XR. All right, could use that on my XR. Got one for the iPhone XS Max, and we got one for the iPhone X and XS. Okay. I see you, Invisible Shield, doing your thing. Definitely gonna have to give these a try. All right, so it looks like it lifts up one more time. Let's go ahead and lift up this tray. Set it to the side. All right, now we have a big one. We got Apple Watch going off. So rude. So now we got a big one for, looks like the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This one I really need. I need to get a good screen protector on my iPad. And it's probably my #1 device used in bed, so this makes a lot of sense. Can you see me? Can you see my head? What over here? Can you see me over here? There I am. Hey, how you doing? How y'all doing? All right. Put it to the side. Oh, and we got one for the 11-inch iPad Pro. All right. Okay, I feel that. I don't have the 11-inch, but hey, I could always give it to one of you guys over on Twitter. So yeah, maybe we'll do that. And I'm not sure if there's anything else under here. Nope. That's it. That's all she wrote. But I gotta say, this is one cool ass box. Like, I love this box. This is going to be reused for something amazing. I just haven't thought about it yet. But yeah, shout out to Mophie and the whole Invisible Shield team for sending this out to me. Really cool stuff. Like, I am definitely looking forward to trying this stuff out. If you guys want to know how it's working out for me or some pictures, make sure you're following me on Instagram as well as Twitter, because that's where I'll update you about the performance and stuff like that of these screen protectors. And because they sent me one for the 11-inch iPad Pro and also the iPhone X and XS, which I don't currently own, I'd be happy to give those out to one of you guys over on Twitter. So make sure you're following me over there if you want updates and to win one of these screen protectors. And who knows, maybe Mophie and I can collab like we did last year and give out a phone. So shout out to Mophie. Come on, let's make this happen. We could do this. We can be friends. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and go hambo on that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this stuff, or you know, you just want to give me some love, because I love you, you love me. We can leave happy COMMENTs. Sounded about right. All right, guys. I hope you like this video, and of course I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot.